Woke up too early, but I can hear the chickens. Let's go. It's Sunday, by the way. Sunday. I always check the last span because my employees think that I won't go here. Ooh, beautiful Sunday, people. How was that time lapse? Yeah, gotta get my drone up. It's a beautiful day, beautiful day. Okay, so please forgive me. I don't have any proper chain oil, so I'm gonna use this diesel oil, engine oil, just for the lube. Here we go. Still not done with the road repair, but yeah, coming along pretty good, coming along pretty good. Here we go. Okay, so I want to test it out. I make the drone follow my motorcycle. Let's see how that goes. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that part right there is where I lost this. The remote controller fell and it wrecked that. Shh, don't tell the wife. Okay, so it's a beautiful Sunday, people. I will stop vlogging so that I could spend some quality time. Look at that. Look at that sleepy girl. Quality time with the family and not be concerned with the camera. Yeah? So see you tomorrow. Monday is my favorite day. Yeah, see you tomorrow.